Both trunks must grow from a single root system. They should emerge from the soil at the same point to create a natural unified look. There must be a clear distinction between the two trunks. Major trunk, it should be significantly thicker and taller, acting as the dominant lead. Minor trunk, it should be thinner and shorter, ideally about 2 by 3 the height of the main trunk. The trunks should not grow perfectly parallel to each other. They should form a slightly V shape, leaning away from each other gracefully. Avoid placing one trunk directly behind the other. Both should be visible from the front view. Most branches should grow toward the outside of the composition. Keep the space between the two trunks relatively clear of branches to avoid a cluttered look. While each trunk has its own apex, they should together form a single overall triangle silhouette. In bonsai design, having two branches growing directly above one another on the same side of the trunk is considered a major fault. The upper branch casts a shadow on the lower one, depriving it of sunlight. Over time, this causes the lower branch to weaken and eventually die. From the front view, the branches overlap, creating a cluttered look. It hides the structure of the trunk and ruins the tree's flow. Two branches growing so close together can cause an unnatural swelling in the trunk at that point. When deciding which branch to keep, consider these factors. Keep the branch that is healthier and more developed. Keep the branch that better fits the overall triangle silhouette of the tree. Usually a branch growing on the outside of a trunk curve is kept, while the one on the inside or stacked above is removed. Bonsai branches should ideally follow an alternating pattern, left, right, back. If one of the stacked branches breaks this rhythm, prune it. Jade plants naturally grow leaves and branches in opposite pairs. This means you will almost always have two branches growing at the same level. To follow professional bonsai rules, You must prune one branch from each pair to create the desired alternating structure.